Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Bitcoin update today. And we are actually dropping right now. So there are some few FUD going on in the market, and the charts are showing that we have a head and shoulders and something like that. So I've talked about some levels that you're going to be looking after previously in the previous updates as well. And right now you are pushing down a little bit, coming up, and you're potentially getting rejected, and you're looking for that technical target that I've been speaking about in the past as well. So yeah, the technical target is actually down to $24,100. And I don't know, some people are saying that the DXY is getting bullish, the dollars is actually getting bullish and stuff like that. So that's one more thing to look after. Now this actually does look to me like a very, very, very clear rejection right over there for Bitcoin actually, and I don't think we have any fake outs coming in, or if I just get proven wrong, that's a different scenario. But I do think if you start to come above $28,000 here and take this high, come above here, hold it like this, then I do think you're looking for Bitcoin to actually keep climbing to the upside. Now we're gonna go back to the daily, and let's look at how the daily is looking like. And you can see that the daily also is kind of having this left shoulder, head, right shoulder, move to the downside, came up, you got rejected right over there, and yes, you're still looking to go down there. So what I'm going to leave you with is the following. You have a move down here. The first target is actually going to be right over there. You got one touch, second touch, and you're going to actually hold this level. The second place is that you lose this trend line as well, and then you finally drop all the way down here. You feel this gap right there, take out every stop losses. This can actually be another massive buying opportunity. I think if it does come down here, I would personally think it's a no-brainer to dollar cost average on this one a little bit. And then from there, you're looking for boom, a straight push all the way to 69K. Because if you zoom out, we still haven't invalidated our falling wedge. Okay, so remember, this is still a falling wedge, break up, come down, still normal. You still have a technical target to go down. You can even go below like this and even come to 14,000 and still go high, but I don't think you want to take out like 13,000 and start to fizzle out completely, and then you get all this falling wedge all in all gets invalidated. Okay, so that's it for this update on Bitcoin, just a quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.